That's right. So there was a vehicle fire that occurred overnight that has closed all the eastbound lanes on I-70 within Hancock County. And this is a look from I-70 at Cumberland Road, where traffic is at a complete standstill due to that crash that did occur overnight. Shortly after 12:30 this morning, those eastbound lanes were closed off because of a vehicle fire that sadly was fatal. One person did die from that incident. We will continue to follow this problem on the east side of town, east of downtown. This is within Hancock County, approaching State Road 9 and near Mount Comfort Road. Again, that fatal incident, eastbound I-70 is blocked, and it's likely going to stay blocked for some time. So we will let you know when that does update, or when we have updates and when that does open back up again. All right.